Find indices of elements equal to 0 in a NumPy array. NumPy has the efficient function method non-zero to identify the indices of non-zero elements in an array object. What is the most efficient way to obtain the indices of the elements that do have a value of 0?
NumPy.where is my favorite. The method where returns a tuple of arrays, each corresponding to a different dimension of the input. Since the input is one-dimensional, the 0 unboxes the tuple's only element.
There is np.argwhere, which returns all found indices as rows.
You can search for any scalar condition with, which will give back the array as in Boolean mask of the condition.
You can also use non-zero by using it on a Boolean mask of the condition, because false is also a kind of 0. It's doing exactly the same as mtrw's way, but it is more related to the question, winky face.
If you are working with a one-dimensional array, there is a syntactic sugar.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.